We went shopping together, but I didn't even share with you what I ended up getting. Well, hello. Already late. It's about 7 o'clock. Ooh, what is up with the light? There we go. We have some light. Unboxing. Oh shoot, no way did I just do that. Have a bag, put the extra tripod as well as the other lens, but we're gonna be unboxing some PR packages. Editing the footage this morning, I realized, dang, we went shopping together, but I didn't even share with you what I ended up getting. So we're gonna do that today. In case you're new here, I'm Christine and this channel is dedicated to all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. We have some vlogs. We're currently participating in Vlogmas, but here we call it Chicmas. If that's something that might interest you, would greatly appreciate it if you would please subscribe. Start with H&M because that was the place I really wanted to at least find some long sleeve basic tees that could be mixed and matched with different outfits, and I found two of them. A long sleeve top that's ribbed. It has a square neckline with the puffy sleeves. You know, I'm still really into that look with the puff sleeves. It kind of dresses up the shirt a bit. It's just in the color white. If I can find it, I'll link it in the description box down below, but this was $14.99, which isn't bad. I was just happy at least to find one. And we got this in a size extra small. Now this piece I was very apprehensive about purchasing because it is pricier. The quality of the material is pretty good, so you know it's gonna be long wearing. Plus I like the neckline, and it is this cream ribbed top. It's double lined and I love the neckline. It's very form-fitting, but it fits very well in a size extra small. Victoria's Secret, this item was on sale for Black Friday, but they always have sales at Victoria's Secret. Comes to fragrances, purchase the full size of Mod Vanilla by Ariana Grande, but if they had 1 ounce or a purse spray, I would have purchased that instead. Did have a sale on their roller balls, and this is the Tease Cream Cloud. There we go, Tease Cream Cloud. This is a blind buy, hoping that it smells good. Notes are vanilla meringue, santal flower, sheer amber. Haven't used a fragrance today, so let's see. Okay, I could deal with this one. Vanilla, a bit of that floral, but it's not like a boom in your face floral. We'll see how it smells at the end of the day. It's very fresh, clean smelling. Forever 21 also was having a sale on their website. I'm short, $4.99, and I've just been into anything that has a platform. Been looking for boots that are a nude shade because I think it just elongates the legs. I'm hoping these are gonna be it. On the website they looked cute, but then I was showing Jonathan and Darren and they're like, it's all right. Oh my gosh. All the other nude boots I've seen, they're in the price range between 50 to 80, which is out of my budget, but oh damn, these are sexy. Sexy nude boots. And look at this heel, it's so chunky. Perfect shade of nude, and it's not heavy. A lot of these shoes with the platforms tend to be very heavy. It almost feels like you have weights at the bottom of the shoe, but these are really light. Also has a zipper on the inside. Very, very chic, and I just love the platform. Good Molecules sent over a sunscreen, sheer mineral sunscreen SPF 30. Minimal white cast sunscreen lotion with UVA, UVB protection for all skin types. And it's only $12. Can you believe that? SPF on the face is super, super important. Your skin will thank you later on. So I'm gonna try this out. Thank you so much to Good Molecules. The secret holiday giveaway is coming up in one of the vlogs. Just wanna give back to you guys. It's going to be packed full of stuff. And also a lot of the items that we're unboxing today. This one is from, actually I'm not sure who this is from. Oh my gosh, it's from I Do Care. Scoop Party Ice Cream Wash Off Masks and Headband Set. here's the tea tree soothing sheet mask with tea tree leaf extract. That was a tongue twister. Power plug firming bok choy night cream. Glow Key brightening vitamin C eye cream. Nourishing vitamin C lip oil. It's called Glow Easy. I just want to see what it looks like. That is pretty. With a little winking face. I Do Care Rolling With It Ice Massage Roller. I've seen a lot of people talk about the ice rollers. I don't have one, so I'm curious about this. Ready Aim Clear Skin Emergency Care Kit. You have the timeout blemish patch paw. Then you open the other side, you have a little extractor, and then you have sheet masks in here. So it's like a little all-in-one. Thank you so much to I Do Care for sending over these goodies. Really, 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 truly appreciate it. Oh, dang. So this is from Kaja. Been loving Kaja products. Wing eyeliner pen. So it's supposed to help you create a wing. Mochi Glow Bouncy Blender Highlighter. The shade Luma. Ooh, let's do a little swatch. It's not too intense. It's very soft. I think this would be great for every day. Love Swipe Lightweight Cushiony Lip Mousse in the shade Swipe Right. Let's just open it so you guys can see the packaging. Packaging is adorable on these. Love Swipe Lightweight Cushiony Lip Mousse in I'm Melting. Kaja Little Shots Mini Gloss Shot Duo. Ooh, look how cute these are. They're like itty bitty tiny little minis. Oh, they come with little stickers too. Very cute. And look at these glosses. Let's throw on the darker one. Double check and make sure all was good. Then we have the Cheeky Stamp Blendable Blush. Koi, I believe I have this one as well. Very cute packaging. Wink Lash Trio Volumizing Lengthening Mascara, a lash primer, which I know I already do have. Thank you so much to Kaja Beauty for sending over those goodies. I've been really enjoying their makeup. To be very honest with you, the Victoria's Secret Tease Cream Cloud is not for me. Smell the Santal, very strong. Florally, in your face, it's almost nauseating. This is definitely a no. We're going to be returning Victoria's Secret Tease Cream Cloud. Speaking of fragrances, we do have some fragrances from Dossier. They have their interpretation of designer luxury fragrances, 98% close to the original. The link Dossier down below, including a coupon code. You can actually stack my coupon code with whatever promotion they have. Gourmand White Flower. This is the packaging. Glass bottle with a magnetic cap. Very simplistic packaging. Top notes of bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries. Middle notes, white flowers, orchid, rose. Base notes, musk, patchouli, caramel, vanilla. And the concentration is 18%. Their interpretation of Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb Eau de Parfum. Excellent return policy. You do have a grace period where you can test out the fragrance. If it's not for you, if you don't like the way how it settles, dries down onto your skin, you can return it. Spot on. Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. I used to own it a couple years back, but just never repurchased it. And I have to actually test it out, see how it wears on the skin. But first impression, it smells identical to Flower Bomb. A men's fragrance, it's for Jonathan. It's called Aromatic Ginger. It's the same, very simplistic with the magnetic cap. The label does have a bit of a bubble. Top notes of ginger, grapefruit, marine notes. Middle notes, clary, sage, rosemary, geranium. Base notes, amberwood, Christ, labdanum. I'm gonna butcher this name. This is inspired by Louis Vuitton Le Mes Eau de Parfum. And the concentration is 18%. I've never smelled the original, so I don't have a comparison. Muskier, fresh scent. Smells like something he would wear, so I'm hoping that he will like this. Smells like a sexy man. Thank you so much to Dossier for sending those over. Those are basically my picks for the month of December. Big thank you to you. Without you, all this PR would not be possible. You're gonna pop this into the freezer and try it tomorrow morning. But it does say it's best used with skincare. cleaned up this stuff and just put it in bags. I'm probably going to bring that upstairs now. But this is just a little sneak peek of the giveaway goodies. I'm not exactly sure when that giveaway will be, but it is coming up soon. And again, it is a hidden giveaway here in one of the Chicmas vlogs. It's time for Tea with Tin, day number 6. No, 7. You get the first look. What do we have? Yes! Ube tea. It doesn't smell like anything, but flavor of ube is 100% there. Day number 7 with our Hello Kitty and Friends advent calendar. Right over here. I think it's gummies. You want some gummies?
Wait, you didn't even offer me any.
I offered you a gummy.
I'm kidding. I'm joking.
Do you want a gummy, Jonathan?
Oh, thank you.
No. Nobody wants gummies. So you can definitely taste that flavor, like an ube flavor. Ube is essentially purple yam. It's a little bit sweet. Sweet like ube. Just want to thank you guys so much for hanging out today, even though we were just at home, even though we started the vlog late today. Thank you. Always appreciate your time. If you've also stuck around to the very end, thank you so much. Appreciate it. There is a giveaway. I'm going to link it in the description box. There will be this emoji next to it. Very simple to enter. Just a little thank you from me to you hanging out, for supporting this channel and watching the videos. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 8.